If you need to write a will in the state of California, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. You can now customize this will according to your specific needs, and it will be legally bound. Let's have a look at it. Creating a will in California should go as follows. Let's first go ahead and create a heading, last will and testament, and we're going to jump in with our first clause, and we're going to state our personal details, including our name, our physical address, as well as our country, and then in the state of California. So here we are going to declare this to be our last will and testament, and the first section allows us to revocate all prior wills. So we're going to now revoke anything that was stated prior to this will. It will not be of any use. The next section is to appoint an executor. An executor will oversee the will that you are writing, and this person will not be a witness, but it'll be the person handling the formalities of your will. So here you're going to add this person's name, and the distribution of your assets is the next section. Now this section is the most important because this is where you're going to state what assets get distributed to whom. So you want a beneficiary's name, and then you want the description of your assets. You want to make sure you're putting as much detail as possible. This will eliminate any space for error. You can also add as many beneficiaries as you would like or as you would need, or you can just have one. The next section just makes sure that this document is legally bound. We want to just add signatures, and we want signatures of witnesses to witness that this has actually taken place. So we're going to add our own signature, and we're going to add a witness's signature. We need 2 witnesses, and we can add their first names or full names as another option if you would like, if you feel that you need to put those full names there. And there you go. You've now created a will in California. If this was helpful, drop us a like. Now, just a small disclaimer, I am not a legal representative, I'm not a lawyer, I am simply just sharing some advice, some personal opinion. So please, if you need any legal advice, make sure that you consult a lawyer, and make sure that you're consulting a lawyer within the state that you are residing in.